In 2025, Rheem will commit to achieving zero waste and zero landfill impact from all of our global manufacturing operations.
The audits will be conducted across all of our sites within the ANZ region. Rheem Thermal, which are our heat pump commercials.
We conducted a global waste audit and introduced a lunch and learn as arranged by the US to promote environmental awareness and communicate waste audit results with our staff. We have been making bins for our factory areas for waste segregation and put them in different areas of the factory for all to use. We are currently reusing items that we can recycle for packaging purposes. We have changed our packaging process for finished goods to remove EPS. We are also working with a supplier from Thailand to look at alternatives for their packaging to us to remove EPS. There is a mix with interest from our staff. Some more passionate about hands-on tasks such as the Good Works plant-to-plant days, as this relates to them on a personal level. It is important for everyone now and for our future. It gives us a safer environment for all of us and animals, and it preserves our natural habitat.